Hey y'all, what's up? This your girl Mawchichi Styles, and I'm back with another video. Today's video is just a quick weave wig that I am making. It is Tycoon weekend out here in Houston, and I'm like, I want to do something different. I want to wear my locks, so I got some hair from my local beauty supply store. It was like model. It was on sale for like $17 for the hair, so you know I'm always down for a cheap little steal real quick because it's a quick weave. I'm literally probably gonna wear this wig twice before I toss it. Okay, I use plastic wrap on my hair because I did not have a plastic bag, or I did have a plastic bag. I don't think I just wanted to go through the process, but anyway, I put saran wrap on my hair and put on 2 caps. I have on 2 caps here. And pretty much y'all know that there are like a ton of quick weave videos that are out there already, so I don't really necessarily feel like I have to explain it. You already know. You get your caps, put your plastic on your head, and you start to line those tracks up. Okay, you just line those tracks up to go into a circular motion. Because it is a bang, it's really easy to do. No hair is going to be left out. You literally just stacking those tracks, lining them up, and just going in a circle all the way around. As far as the hair, I guess for the price, it was really decent to me for the price, because again, it's a simple look that I'm going for. A lot of people think that, well, I used to think, I'm not even gonna say a lot of people, I used to think that, okay, you know, if I want to have this style, I have to have top of the line, top notch bundles hair. You know, I mean, I used to spend about $600 on my hair. Okay, now granted, for me, I would keep my hair, you know, I would keep it and it would last me for some years. Like, I would literally take care of it if I'm spending $600 on hair. So I used to be like, no, I need premium quality bundles, and I'm talking about I would use those bundles down, start them off long, work my way up to making it short, coloring it, cutting it. Like, I would get my money's worth for $600. So I didn't have an issue with that. But now that I have locks, you know, locks has definitely changed the game for me. So a lot of the times, because I'm only gonna wear a short temporary style, plus I don't always care to always have to braid my locks down because it's just too much tension on my head sometimes, and as they get longer, I understand I won't be able to wear certain styles, right? So I'm enjoying this time that I have with my locks to be able to you know, go through these different styles, because once they get down to my butt, like, that's a wrap. I'm not wearing those type of wigs. Like, hell, once they get to past my shoulder, you barely gonna catch me in a wig, baby. It's locks all day, you know what I mean? So right now I'm just taking advantage of my growing stage with my locks, and just experiencing and experiencing the versatility of just being able to switch up my styles for right now. All we're doing is literally just going in that circular motion that I mentioned. You basically want to close up the hole. With this hair, it did not come with a closure, so if you are not sure on how to create your own closure, there are a lot of different videos on here on YouTube that can show you how to do it. I don't even think my camera wasn't even low enough to get it to where I was able to show you, but I'll probably be able to just talk you through it just a little bit. Listen, wearing glasses, doing your hair in the mirror, and trying to see what's on top of your head is difficult. Like, all I'm looking at is my facial expressions. I got to squint my eyes up to make it seem like that's gonna help my vision, when really all they do is just stress and strain on my eyes. And I need to get one of those little mirrors that I saw on Amazon. They had it to where it's like a 4-way mirror where it comes out along the side, so you can see side view and you can also see the top of your head just by simply tilting the mirror so you can look it up. I think that's an investment that I'm gonna need for myself, especially with me doing tutorials like this or just doing my hair really quick. I need to be able to see what's going on and not strain my eyeballs, because it hurts. It hurts a lot. Basically, when you're creating your closure, you're gonna cut some tracks. You're gonna cut it. I made it about maybe 5 inches long, and you're just adding glue to the track, and you're rolling it as if you are like, what can I say that you would roll up? Like you rolling up some rope or something. You know, you want to keep it in, or you know how a fruit roll up comes, like rolled up fruit by the foot. You're literally rolling your track up like that. So you put glue on it and just roll it, and just continue rolling it, making it a tight roll. Once you're done making it a tight roll, that glue should be sticking everything together. And all you're doing is taking your finding the center, and you're gonna basically separate the hair and press down with your flat iron until it's like flat as all get out. I'm gonna try to see if I can link a video, or I can try to like give my own personal tutorial on how to do it, because it's real simple. It's like super easy, nothing crazy. Once you do it, it's able to, all you doing is just putting glue on it and just filling it up in the hole. I'll probably link somebody who's doing the closure just in case. So here, all I'm doing, because I'm doing a blunt cut, it doesn't matter. I'm just making sure that, okay, it's evenly cut across. And I'm cutting it the best way that I can. And what's crazy is I realized that, you know, I don't necessarily have to cut this on my head. I literally have my tripod, my mannequin head that I could have cut this on and also styled it on. And it didn't dawn on me until I got finished, because I was just feeling myself during this process. And y'all remember those little side swoop hairstyles where it was a full closure, but you would wear your hair to the side? That's the vibes that I'm getting right now off of this one. Like, I kind of would do that. I think that I would turn around and do another one of these, but make it to where it's a side sweep bang, you know, and it's feathered really good. Like, that's that old school hairstyle that I'm obsessed with balls. Like, so I was into the feathers heavy, and I'm probably gonna recreate that look. Like, I love feathers, I love layered cuts. I've still been working on like mastering my layered cuts. There are some stylists out here that I see do some bomb cuts. I'm talking about that thing is feathered, flying, you fly out here. And I'm working on it, you know. A lot of people tell me that I can do it, but sometimes I just don't see it until I actually see it, you know. So I sprayed some spritz, some got to be glued, and like some heat protectant on it, just to help keep the hair in place, like make it more solid and combine all together, so that way there's no like frizzies or flyaways around. So I learned this method that it actually works just by putting a little product on there. And sometimes I've seen people add a little bit of water to help like get rid of the frizz as well. Like, they spray it down with water and comb it. In the midst of all the hard work, remember to drink your water.
crazy thing is, I realized that I didn't even have to curl this on my head. I literally could have just taken the wig off, put it on my mannequin head, and did all the extra stuff. So I just put myself through all of this for no reason. But I guess I was just trying to make sure that the bang and everything was in the right area for my eyes, to make sure that it was like right above my eyes. But I like how it turned out. It looks really good. I still want to go back over it and make sure that I flat iron it again. So this is what it looks like off, and I just cleaned up the areas that I missed. So she looks really, really good. The closure looks really good. And that is the finished product. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.